How to get an extra accessory slot in Terraria. So to get an extra accessory slot, you must be playing on a higher difficulty setting. So you cannot get more than 5 slots in a classic difficulty world without mods. So as you can see, I'm on the classic world and the maximum slots for your accessories is only 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But if you create an expert or master mode world, you will automatically get an extra accessory slot right here. So on default, you will get 6. But since my character already defeated the Wall of Flesh in Expert or Master mode, I now have 7. That's because if you defeat the Wall of Flesh in an Expert or Master mode world, it will drop the Demon Heart, which is required for the 7th slot. So as you can see, I have the treasure bag, which is dropped by the Wall of Flesh. So once you open the treasure bag when you defeat the Wall of Flesh, you should see this Demon Heart right here. So as you can see, it is consumable and it permanently increased the number of accessory slots. So you just basically need to consume it. Then the 7th slot will appear automatically here on your accessory slots. And that is how you basically get an extra accessory slot in Terraria.